Chapter 10, Methodology and Tools, Part 2. The Brain Twister, the Ultimate EQ and IQ Builder, Mind-Boggling Toolbox. A consciousness-expanding, mind-boggling toolbox. The newest knowledge in development, change and integration with potential, balance, integration, supplementary and complementary, methodical advising for combined intelligence. The updated knowledge creates combined intelligence as part of the solution to sustained change, balanced innovation, transformation and integration to better navigate in any condition in any system. The methodological tools used in Ancient Academy are diagnosing and support programs with their own intelligent algorithm and adjustment tools, which diagnose, advise, optimize, and combine possibilities for a supporting condition in any system. While all the various parts of the system in question are being updated, we optimize the ability for an ideal, sustainable, and quality-based result being ready for development. The methodical tools together create a balanced emotional and operational capacity in any system. The emotional condition is what is incomprehensible and intangible, and the operational condition is what we know from our working life when we look at budgets, figures, and economic return, etc. A system in balance creates possibilities for growth, change, innovation, and integration, which can show us the invisible opportunities to create a more balanced condition in any organic or non-organic system. It also gives us the possibility to create a more harmonious personal and professional life. Balance is when all our energies play a melody in harmony together to the beat. When we can quickly get back to the beat if our emotional energies and our logic and concretely thinking energies do not play to the beat anymore. In this chapter, as with many of the others, there are a number of diagrams in the accompanying note to this audiobook. We start with a diagram that explains how imbalance is transformed into balance to complete a change of condition. The receiver in development becomes the pattern breaker again and again. The change in outside structure is a change in ego's structure. Ego in change and a logical intellectual ego is an organic instinct. Change in the internal structure is a change in the emotional intellectual ego, which is dynamic intuition. Since our thoughts and feelings are a product of each other, they are connected in an interaction with each other. What we comprehend and the way we handle all our thoughts and emotions, dynamic intuition and organic instinct, combined consciousness, have great influence on the condition of our physical, intelligent body, mind, and inner being, in the present tense and the future tense, having their cause from the past tense, sustained consciousness. My mission is to offer you or your company the tools needed for you to use your combined intelligence in order to better navigate in any condition. Maybe you are presently facing new challenges or structural changes in your company or in your team, or maybe you have a desire to develop yourself as a leader or to create better balance between your personal life and your professional life. No matter which challenges or opportunities you experience, the theory and the book are assisting and advising you as to the importance of our EQ and IQ combined, how you can navigate in these changes with a strengthened understanding of the mechanisms which are at play. By using our intelligent algorithm, we can help you to create a detailed overview of the most important emotional and operational factors. The book advises you as to how you can continuously navigate these conditions and get closer to your goals. It is a meta-philosophy which is integrated in an intelligent algorithm and which is transformed into a simple and specific methodological tool that calculates the condition of the circumstances based on the following parameters: possibility ability, probability ability, change ability, integration ability, coincidence ability, innovation ability, divergent ability, wholeness ability, and sustainability. These parameters and calculations create an overview to be used when we are to navigate in our private and professional life. The tools optimize and combine the possibilities for a supporting condition in any state, while the various parts of the given system are being updated to optimize the capacity ability for an ideal, sustainable, and qualified result, which can be implemented directly in the development. It helps with how to create a wholeness which optimizes the emotional and operational condition in any system, irrespective of structure. A system with a balanced structure is able to integrate any change and innovatory approach with absolute ease. It shows you how to uncover the blind spots that are required for being able to implement the needed change, or to transform the unseen knowledge of any system into tangible and useful tools and solutions. The book advises and teaches how to create a more streamlined productivity, how you strengthen economic growth, how you highlight potential, exchange these, and continue to develop, contribute to creating balanced innovation, sustained change, and transformation, and thus achieving and creating growth in your private as well as your working life. We use the algorithm to establish the various condition diagnoses distributed over the 3 different time aspects: past tense, present tense, and future tense. The whole algorithm and the methodology calculate the probability and create a statistic. In addition to having the possibility of adding values and actual numbers to an invisible condition, which is intangible, we can now actually compare them with the tangible, which offers us quite a new overview compared to what we had the opportunity to do previously. This is achieved by combining various forms of intelligence. Ancient Academy and the theory behind us are based on the combined intelligence, combined consciousness. The purpose of our intelligent algorithm, the various support systems, and adjustment tools are made to achieve the best understanding ability. The intelligent algorithm. Our intelligent algorithm AEI, EAI, and DAI, intelligent, energetic, emotional, and operational compass, the human energetic blueprint. The intelligent algorithm quantifies and combines the operational condition with the emotional condition, resistance, phasing out, balance, and growth, so that it is possible to calculate the possibilities and potentials and thus navigate by allocating resources, which are the result of emotional and operational capacity, by using our combined intelligence to achieve combined consciousness. We insert the values of the various conditions and make probability calculations. Overall, I work with 5 different conditions: rejection, phasing out, balance, and growth and vulnerability. Our algorithm can, on a sustained basis, be used to measure and concretize situations which are usually not measurable. This means that you get tools that can be adapted along the way and be individualized. A non-generic set of tools, designed and adapted individually to you or your company. The algorithm is a physical and digital tool visualizing, by means of graphs, figures, statistics, and probability calculations, how easy or difficult it is to get from one condition to another, not only from a personal perspective, but also for your employees. The algorithm is the doctrine about understanding ability, built on two definition conditions. They are defined as emotional and operational capacity, and by calculating a variable condition in 3 timelines, past tense, present tense, and future tense, this combination of intelligence creates a new understanding ability, which gives us an innovative, sustainable, and balanced way of living and functioning in order to achieve a more quality-based condition in any system. The calculations are based on probability ability, possibility ability, change ability, and a rejection factor. By calculating these conditions, we have the possibility of creating an overview in order to optimize innovation ability, sustainability, integration ability, capacity ability, wholeness ability, coincidence ability, and divergent ability. In the accompanying notes, there are a number of diagrams that depict the interrelationship between these different elements and factors, where the intelligent algorithm looks at physical calculations on Law 1, combined consciousness ability, and Law 2, sustained consciousness ability. And within that, looks at wholeness ability, coincidence ability, divergent ability, integration ability, innovation ability, and capacity ability. The intelligent algorithm also has adjustment tools, in which case we are looking at passion and growth, success and balance, failure and phasing out, resistance and rejection. And within this, considering constant conditions, shifting conditions, and a variable condition. The diagrams also showcase how vulnerability becomes a motivation for and to change, and that interplay between anger, which brings resistance and rejection, unhappiness, which brings failure and phasing out, peace, which brings success and balance, and happiness, which brings passion and growth.